Students, now let us going to see the topic knowing about numbers. So see first topic comparing numbers. We know how to compare the numbers. So let us consider the number 368 and 458, then 632. So what is the number of digit for first number? The number of digit for 368 is 3. So this is the 3-digit number. What is the number of digit for second one? So this is also a 3-digit number. What is the number of digit for third one? So this is also a 3-digit number. So these three numbers is also a 3-digit number. How to compare which one is greater and which one is smaller among these three numbers? So see the 100 place. So 3-digit numbers means this is ones place, tens place, last one is hundreds place. So compare the 100 place. What is the 100 place for first number? 100 place for first number is 3. And what is the 100th place for second number? That is 4. What is the 100th place for third number? That is 6. So among this number 3, 4 and 6, which one is greater? As 6 is the greatest one. So the number 632 is greatest number. And which is the smallest one? 3 is the smallest one. So 368 is the smallest number. So let us see another one example. 5628, 5678, 5638. So first number is 5628, next one is 5678, the third one is 5638. So among these three numbers, which one is greater and which one is smaller? So first, second, third. So these three numbers is also a 4-digit number, right? First one is a 4-digit number, second one is a 4-digit number, third one is also a 4-digit number. So let us see what is the thousands place. So ones place, tens place, hundreds place, thousands place. So 4-digit numbers, that means 3-digit numbers means we can compare the hundreds place. 4-digit number means we can compare the first thousands place. So thousands place is what is that? 5. And what is thousands place for second one? That is also 5. And thousands place is third one also 5. So next we move to the hundreds place. Thousands places are same for all the numbers means we can move the 100 place. What is the 100 place for first number? 6. 100 place for second number also 6. 100 place for third number is also 6. So 100 place is also same means we can move the tens place. What is the tens place for the first number? 2. What is the tens place for the second number? That is 7. What is the tens place for the third number? That is 3. So which is greater? 7 is greater and 2 is smaller. So 5678 is what is the greater number. So this is greater number and 5628 is smaller number. So this is the method to comparing which is the greater number and which is smaller one. Next one is Indian and International System of Numeration. So we already studied in our 5th standard what is Indian system of numeration and what is International System of Numeration, right? See, first one is Indian system of numeration. Indian system of numeration is ones place, thousands place, lakhs place and crores place, right? So ones place it contains 3 digits and thousands place it contains 2 digits, lakh place it contains 2 digits and crores place it contains 2 digits. So see ones place what is that? Ones, tens and hundreds considered in ones place and thousands, 10,000s are contained in thousands place. Next what is lakhs place? Lakhs and 10 lakhs and crores place contains crores and 10 crores. So how to read this number? So crores place we have 2 and 10 lakhs place 5, lakhs place 3 and so on. See how to read this number? 2 crore, so 2 is a crores place, right? 2 crore 53 lakhs 58,783. First one is. How to read the second number? So 9 is a 10 crores place value and 5 is a crores place value. So 95 crore 38 lakhs and 73,925. So next one is International System of Numeration. So in our Indian system of numeration, ones place only 3 digits and International System of Numeration, all the places that means ones, thousand and millions, all the place values it contains 3-digit number only. Ones place it contains ones, tens and hundreds. Thousands place 1,000, 10,000 and 100,000. What is million place? That is million, 10 million and 100 million. See how to read this number? 58. 5 is a 10 million place and 8 is a million place. So how to read? 58,298,596. So next one, 7 is the 100 million place, right? So 783,526,825. So this is the difference between the Indian system of numeration and international system of numerations. So Indian system of numerations, ones place only have 3-digit numbers and another thousands, lakhs and crores place which contains only 2 digits. But international system of numerations, ones place, thousands place, millions place, all the place values is contains what is the 3-digit number. So see our exercise 1.1 first question, fill in the blanks. So how to solve this? 1 lakh equal to dash 10,000. 1 lakh equal to dash 10,000. How to write 1 lakh? So we can write this is 1 lakh divided by what is 10,000? So 10,000. So 1 lakh equal to dash 10,000 means we can divide 1 lakh divided by 10,000. So this 30 and 30 cancels. So this 10 and 10 is also cancelled. What is the remaining value? That is 10. So 1 lakh equal to what is the value? 1 lakh equal to 10,000. Next one is 1 million equal to dash 100,000. How to write million? So this is 1 million divided by 1 million equal to dash 100,000. So 100,000 means 100,000, right? 1 million equal to dash 100,000. We can write 100,000. So this 30 and 30 is cancelled. So 20, this 20 also cancelled. What is the remaining value? 10 by 1. 10 by 1 means what is that? 10 only, which is equal to 10. So what is the value of 1 million equal to 10? 100,000, right? Listen students, you should write your classwork note from this first chapter, right? You should maintain your classwork note, that is important. So see your second question, place comma correctly and write the numerals. Place commas correctly and write the numerals. So first one, 73,75,307. So how to write the numerals? 73 lakhs, 73 lakhs, 75,000. 73 lakhs, 75,000. What is that? 307. 307. Next one. What is second one? B question. 9 crore 5 lakh 41. 9 crore 5 lakh 41. So 9 crore 5 lakh. So 5 lakhs 41. 041. 9 crore 5 lakhs 41 means 9 is the crores place. 5 lakh means so 0 for the what is that? So 9 crore 05. 5 lakhs 041. 9 crore 5 lakhs 41. So next one is measurements. So see what is measurements. 1 centimeter equal to what is that? 10 millimeters. So measurements we already know, right? So 1 centimeter equal to 10 millimeter. What is 1 meter? 1 meter equal to what is that? 100 centimeter. 1 centimeter equal to 10 millimeter. 1 meter equal to what is that? 100 centimeter. Next one. What is 1 kilometer? 1 kilometer means, kilo means 1000, right? 1 kilometer equal to what is that? 1000 meter. Next. 1 kiloliter equal to what is that? 1000 liter. 1 liter equal to what is that? 1000 milliliter. So 1 centimeter equal to 10 millimeter. 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter. 1 kilometer equal to 1000 meter. 1 kiloliter equal to 1000 liter. 1 liter equal to 1000 milliliter. 1 kilogram, 1 kg equal to what is that? 1000 gram. 1 kilogram equal to 1000 gram. What is next one? 1 gram equal to 1000 mg, milligram. So this is the measurements. So measurements are so very important to solve our exercise 1.2. So you should prepare the measurement for our exercise 1.2. Next exercise. Next one is ascending order. What is mean by ascending order? We know ascending order means we can write the number smallest number to the greatest number. Ascending order means smallest to greatest. So for example, how to write in ascending order? So number starting from 1, 2, 3, 4. So increasing order. This is called ascending order. And what is descending order? Ascending order means we can write the smallest number to greatest number means what is the descending order as that is greatest to smallest. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 up to 9 is the ascending order means how to write these numbers in descending order. For example, how to write in descending order 9, 8, 7, 6, 5 up to 1. So ascending order means smallest number to greatest number and descending order means greatest number to smallest numbers. So next our exercise 1.2 first question. So before your exercise 1.2 remaining sums you will do your homework sum, right? So now exercise 1.2 first question. What is the first one? A book exhibition was held for 4 days in your school. The number of tickets sold at the counter on the first, second, third and the final day was respectively 1094, 1812, 2050 and 2751 is given. Find the total number of tickets sold on all the 4 days. So we want to find the total number of tickets sold on all the 4 days. So how to solve this? First one. Number of tickets sold on first day. What is that? First day ticket sold number is 1094. Number of tickets sold on first day is 1094. Next, what is that? Number of tickets sold on second day. What is the number of tickets sold on second day? That is 1812. 1812. So in the same way, number of tickets sold on third day. Number of tickets sold on third day is equal to what is that? 2050. Next one. Number of tickets sold on fourth day equal to number of tickets sold on fourth day 2751. 2751. But what's the question? Find the total number of tickets sold on all the 4 days. So total number of tickets sold on all the 4 days means we want to add all the 4 numbers. So therefore, what is that? Total number of tickets. Total number of tickets sold is equal to, we want to add 6, 4 plus 2, 6, 6 plus 1, what is that? 7. Next one is 9 plus 1, 10, 10 plus 5, 15, 15 plus 5, 20. 20 value 0 remaining, 2 we can write. So 2 plus 8, 10, 10 plus 7, 17, remaining what is that? 1. So 1, 2, 3, 3 plus 2, 5, 5 plus 2, 7. Therefore, the number of tickets sold on all the 4 days is equal to 7,707. So our second question, see our second one. Sagar is a famous cricket player. He has so far scored 6,980 runs in test matches. He wishes to complete 10,000 runs. Yes. How many more runs does he need? So we want to find how many more runs does he need. So see our solution. Runs scored by Sagar equal to 6,980 is given. Next one, runs wished to be scored is equal to 10,000. This is also given in our questions. So runs needed more. How many more runs we needed to complete 10,000 runs? So we want to subtract 10,000 minus 6,980. So what is the value? 10,000 minus 6,980. So how to subtract this number? 0 minus 0 is 0. So 0 minus 8, that is not possible. So we can borrow the number, previous number. So 100. So this is 10. So we can borrow the numbers 100 from 0 is equal to 10 minus 8, that is 2. So this number is what is that? 99 changes. So 9 minus 9 0, 9 minus 6 equal to 3. So what is the value? 3020. Therefore, 3020 more runs needed to complete the runs 10,000. So next our fifth question. Third and fourth questions you will do your homework. Next fifth one. Find the difference between the greatest and the least number That can be written using digits 6, 2, 7, 4, 3, each only once. So each numbers we can write only one times. So what is the greatest number? Greatest number equal to what is that? 7, 6. So largest number 7 after the one 6, 7, 6. What is that? 4, 3, 2. 7, 6, 4, 3, 2. So what is the least number? So what is the least number formed from this? That is 2, 3, 4, 6, 7. We want to find the difference. Find the difference between the greatest and the smallest number. Therefore, difference equal to, what is the difference value? So 7 minus 2 minus 7, that is not possible. So we can borrow the number from previous. So 12 minus 7, what is that? 5, and this number is 2. What is the 2 minus 6 is not possible. So 12, 3. So 12 minus 6, 6. So this is 13 and this one is 5. 13 minus 4, what is that? 9. Next 5 minus 3, 2. Next 7 minus 2, 5. So 52,965 is the difference between the largest number and the least number formed by the number 62743. Each number is only once, right? See your sixth question. A machine on an average manufacture 2,825 screws produced in a day. How many screws did it produce in the month of January 2006? So we want to find how many screws produced in the month of January 2006. So listen, number of screws produced in a day is equal to 2,825. So this is given. Next, what is the number of days in January 2006? Number of days in January 2006 is 31, we know. So what is the total number of screws produced? Equal to 2,825 into 31 equal to 78,575 screws produced in the month of January 31, right? So next topic is estimation. Estimate the nearest 10. So estimate the numbers between 80 and 90. So consider the number 81. 81 is closer. Estimate means is the closer value. 81 is closer to 80, we know. So which is the center number between 80 and 90? The center place value is 85. So we can consider what is the 81 is rounds up to 10. 81 is rounds up to, which is the nearest place value of 81. That means nearest tens place. Nearest tens place is 80. So 81 is rounds up to what is that? 80. So where is 82? 82 is rounds up to 82 is round to 80 is also nearest to what is that? 80. Because 85 is the center value for the 80 and 90. So the before the numbers 81, 82, 83 and 84 is rounds up to what is that? 80. And 86, 87, 88, 89. These four numbers are nearest to what is that? 90. In generally 85 is closer to the 90 only. 85 is the center value, but general form of the closer value is 85 is 90. So 85 is rounds up to 85 is round up to what is that? 90. What about 86? 86 is rounds up to what is that? 90. So between 80 and 90 we have the numbers 81, 82 up to 89 and the 85 is the middle value. But generally 85 is nearest to 90. After 85, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, all the numbers is nearest to 90. That means nearest tens. And before the numbers 81 to 80 or 84 also nearest to what is that? 80. So next see the try these sums in our page number 19. Round these numbers to the nearest tens. Round these numbers to the nearest tens. First one 28. 28 is rounds up to. So nearest 10 means between which two numbers the numbers lying between 28. So 28 is lies between 20 and 30. So this is 28 is nearest to 20 or 30 as 28 is rounds up to 30. So this is the nearest tens. Next 32. 32 is rounds up to what is that? See this number 28. So between 20 and 38, the numbers lies between 28. So the center value is 28. 5 means. So between 20 and 30, the number lies between 28. So this is nearest to what is that? 30. So the number 28 is rounds up to 30. What is the number 32? 32 is lying between 30 and 40. So here 32 is value. So the 32 is nearest to what is that? 30. So 32 is rounds up to what is that? 30. Next 215 is rounds up to. is rounds up to. This number 215 is lying between 210 and 220. So nearest tens only. So this number is closer to 210. Say our exercise 1.3 first question. Estimate each of the following using general rule. So general rule means we can find 730. 730 is rounds up to 730 is rounds up to. Which is the closer value between 830? So 730. 730 is closer to 700. Next, what is the 998? 998 is rounds up to. Which is the closer value for 998? That is 1000. So we want to find addition. Therefore, estimated sum is equal to what is the value? 1700. So we estimate each of the following using general rule means here 730 plus 998 is given. We want to find the nearest value. 730 is rounds up to 700 and 998 is rounds up to 1000. Therefore, estimated sum is equal to, we can add these two numbers, 700 plus 1000, 1700. So next B question, 796 minus 314. So 796 is rounds up to which is the closer value for 796. So we can find the nearest 100. So 796 is rounds up to what is that? 800. Next. 314. 314 is rounds up to. So which is the closer value for 314? As there is 300. 314 is between 300 and 400, but this is closer to 300. Next, what is that? Subtraction. Therefore, estimated difference. So what is the estimated difference value? That is 800 minus 300, 500. So estimated sum means we can add, estimated difference means we want to subtract the values. So next C and D questions are common sums in your first pattern. Second pattern, see the second pattern. Give a rough estimate by rounding up to nearest 100 and also a closer estimate by rounding up to nearest 10. That means we want to find the nearest tens and the nearest hundreds. First nearest 100. First rounding up to nearest 100. So 439 is rounds up to. So 439 is rounds up to. What is the nearest 100 for 439? That is 400. Next 334. 334 is rounds up to. So 334 is nearest to what is that? 300. Next, what is that? 4,317. 4,317 is rounds up to what is that? 4,300. Therefore, estimated sum. Estimated sum is equal to 0. So this is also 0. 4 plus 3 7. 7 plus 3 10 remaining one. What is the value? 5. So 5,000. So this is rounding up to nearest 100. Next we want to find nearing 100. So nearing tens. Rounding up to nearest tens. First one we want to find rounding up to nearest 100. Next rounding up to nearest tens. So 439. 439 is rounds up to what is that? 440. So this is rounds up to nearest 10. So nearest 10 means 39. 39 is nearest to 40. So 440. Next, what is that? 334. 334 is rounds up to what is that? 330. Next, what is that? 4,317 is rounds up to 4,300. What is that? 17 is nearest to 20. So what is the estimated sum value? 0, 9, 4 plus 3, 7, 7 plus 2, 9. Next 4 plus 3, 7, 7 plus 3, 10 remaining 1. What is the value? 5. So 5,090. Therefore estimated sum. See how to find this value. 439 plus 334 plus 4,317 is given. We want to find the rounding up to numbers nearest hundreds and rounding up to nearest tens. First one 439. 439 is rounds up to nearest 100. Which is the nearest value? That means 400. That means is near 439 is lies between 400 and 500. So 439 is closer to 400. So this is 400. 334 is rounds up to what is that? 300. Next 4,317 is rounds up to 4,300. That means nearest 100. So estimated sum is equal to 5,000. We want to add these three numbers. Next rounding up to nearest 10. 439 is rounds up to 440. We want to find the nearest tens only. So 39 is nearest to which is the tens place? 440. So 334 is rounds up to 330. 4,317 is rounds up to 4,320. Therefore, estimated sum is equal to 5,090. So next our third question. Estimate each of the following using general rule. So we want to find the nearest 100 is given means you want to find the nearest 100. Or nearest 10 is given means you want to find the nearest 10. But general rule means we want to observe our choice. So 578 first one. 578 is rounds up to 578 is nearest 100 please. What is that? 600. 578 is nearest to 600. Next 161. Is rounds up to what is that? 161 is rounds up to nearest 200. Therefore, we want to find the estimated product. Estimated product equal to what is that? 600 into 200, which is equal to what is the value? 6 2s are 12. So we can add 4 zeros. So what is the value? 1,20,000. So estimate each of the following using general rule. General rule is given means you can choose your way for using nearest 100 or nearest tensor. That is your choice. Next topic, Roman numerals. So Roman numerals we already studied in your 5th standard, right? So 1 to 10 we are often using the Roman numerals 1, 2, 3, 4, IV, 5, 6 means VA, 7 means VII, 8 means VII is given. So in Roman numerals, one number, same numbers is repeated 3 times only. That means 5 means V, 6 means VI, 7 we can write VII, 8 we can write VIII, but 9 you don't write V4I because one number is repeated 3 times only. So Ix is equal to 9, 10 is equal to X is equal to 10. See, I is equal to 1, B is equal to 5 and X is equal to 10, L is equal to 50, C is equal to 100, D is equal to 500 and M is equal to 1000. So this is the Roman numerals. So what is the concept for this Roman numerals? Listen. So X equal to 10 we can know. So how to write 9? So yes, before you write the value I means this is 9, right? Next is X. After the value of X you write I means this is 11. So this is the same concept in part with the L. So L means 50. How to write 40? So L, 40 means before you write X, that means before you write X means it is 40. So L, how to write 60? L after we write X. So XL means 40 and LX means 60. So this is the method for finding Roman numerals. So Roman numerals 1 to 10 we already use often in our chapters also. So 1 means I and 5 means B, 10 we can write S, 50 we can write L, 100 we can write C, 500 means D and 1000 means M. So example 7, write the given numbers in Roman numerals 69. 69 we can write 60 plus 9. How to write 60? 60 is written as 50 plus 10 plus 9. What is the value of 50? 50 is L plus X plus what is that? Ix, which is equal to what is that? Lx Ix. So this is for 69. How to write 98? 98 is written as 90 plus 8, which is equal to 90 is written as how to write 100 minus 10 plus 8. 100 minus 10 means C, because 100 plus 10 means we can write Cx. 100 minus 10 means we can write Xc, that is 90 plus 8 we can write VIII, which is equal to XCVIII. Okay students, I hope you understand what is the chapters in knowing our numbers. You should maintain the classwork sums. You should write the sums in your classworks and do your homework sums properly. Right? Next class we will discuss about some other topics. Right? Thank you students.